Do you want to learn how to use ChatGPT's new tools option? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So as you can see here, ChatGPT just came out with this option which says view tools, and it has also released search the web for everyone, even those who are using the free plan. You do not need a pro version of ChatGPT in order to access the search the web feature. And this one is view tools. If I click on it, it's going to give us these three options, which is search the web, picture, and canvas. This is for collaborate on writing and code, and this is for picture. So if I click on this, it's going to add start, and I can say something like this, eerie pick a fox, and press on enter, and it's going to start generating an image for us based on this prompt that I've given it. And as you can see, it has generated an eerie pick of fox here, and I can keep talking with it to make better images or changes to it. Now, let's click on this again. There's search the web, there's canvas. So let's click on search the web. It's going to enable this option, search, and now I can search the web for relevant information. For example, I can say recent news on Donald Trump, and it's going to start searching the web, and it's going to give us all the recent developments like here. And it also has the citations next to each of them, so you know it's the correct news. Right here, the sources, and if I click on these sources, I can see on the right the citations, and I can go inside any of them. For example, this one, I can click on it, and it's going to take us over to the web page. This search feature is basically a nice competitor to Google, and you no longer have to go to Google to search for these things. You can just search here, and that's it. You will get information. One thing about the search feature and these other tools is that they need a pro plan of ChatGPT once you run out of their credits. Each day you can generate like 10 times, I think. Not exactly sure. But after that, it just asks you to get on a lower ChatGPT version for a few hours. And after that, you can start using it again. But till that point, you will not be able to use the search or other tools inside it. So that is one issue with it. If you want, you can go for their plan, which is upgraded plan, which is here. Now let's remove the search and click on this view tools again, and click on this third option, which is canvas. Now I've typed in write a plugin code to connect ChatGPT to WordPress. Let's see what it creates. It's going to start typing the whole code, and it gives us some information on the right. You can refine and debug on the spot. This is quite good. Like, you can just create these plugins and such, and you do not even need to know how to code. And if you're a coder, it's a plus advantage for you. Now, as you can see, the plugin, the coding has been done. And on the left, we have this. Now on the right, we have code review. So you can see these. There's add comments, add logs, fix bugs. You can also port it to a language. For example, instead of this, I can say Java, and it's going to start typing the code again in the Java language. Now I'm going to stop this here, and that's it. This is how to use the new tools feature inside ChatGPT. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.